Hi guys, hello, good morning, hello to everybody here. Hi, may I get your attention please? By the way, my name is Gino and this is Jay. We are the spring cleaners and we've discovered that this office is full of virus right now. Alright? And I think you guys are infected as well. Maybe we could go inside the conference room, come on. Alright, we are going to perform a black light test. So we have a black light right here. How about you, ma'am? Can I see your hands? Oh my God! Oh, you got a virus. How about you? How about you, ma'am?
You.
Oh. Sir, how about you? There you go.
Ooh, ang dami.
You are prone to different kinds of diseases if you have those. Anyway, again, by the way, my name is Gino and I am one of the representatives of the biggest public and private initiatives on environmental health advocacies here in the Philippines. The Philippines Spring Cleaning Day. Like for example, you sir, what's your favorite gadget? Cell phone. Normally we would ask for instructions on how to use it, right? So just like with our disinfecting kits, you need to read the labels to correctly achieve the disinfection. Make disinfection part of your daily routine. Like you ma'am, how regularly do you take a bath? How often, ma'am?
Yeah.
Once a day. Clean up spilled food in your table right away. Like for example, how about you, ma'am? Whenever you get a stain, what do you normally do?
Stain from what?
Stain on your clothes.
Okay, I have the brush.
You brush it right away, right?
Yes.
So to prevent these spilled food from spreading, just like with the germs and viruses, we need to clean them right away. So remember, cleaning can save lives. Cleanliness is next to godliness. So mark it in your calendars, April 28th. April 28th. Be part of the Philippine Spring Cleaning Day. Something like that. It's like on the CSI, if you watch the CSI.
Yeah.
Dito po, ma'am. Ayaw nyo. Dito ba, parang wala naman. So,
Yes.
kayo. Very nice. Good job.
Next to godliness to.
Try soaping water. Ma'am, let's see your...
Oy, malinis.
Clean, ha?
Oh, hindi siya effective, ha? Basta kailangan tayo.
Clean. Oh, there, ma'am, oh. Oh, there's a stain.
Which one?
There. What is that?
What's that? I touched that one. I touched this one. Nakita niyo yung doorknob sa harapan? The front doorknob? Because I touched it. When I talked to Maricel.
Ako nag-touch na sa